Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Look Fantastic Icons edit. So let's get in here and check this out. This is a special limited edition box from Look Fantastic. It was sent to me free for review. I can tell you pound for pound, it's an awesome box. This box is so heavy. I cannot wait to see what's in here. It has a $225 value. It is $80. My link and my code, Kathrin22, which I will put both below for you, you will get 22% off of this box, which I did the math on, and that brings it down to $62.40 with a $225 value. So let's get in here and see if we think it's worth it. You guys will have to let me know below what you think. So I think this is the new way they do things, and going forward I will have to get on and make notes. They give us a QR code. Now in the Look Fantastic boxes, trying to save paper, they give us a QR code and we can go on and learn more about these products. They have put them on the back with just a small little amount of information. Open it up. Like I said, it is so heavy. Oh my gosh, it is chock full. Can you guys see how full this is? So many good things. Well, it's got a $225 value, so it would have to be good. Right out on top, oh, and a cute little pack, a little zip top. It's Silk London Silk Hair Ties. I love these. You guys know I have fine, thin hair. I talk about it all the time. It's really fragile, so I love when I use silk hair tie scrunchies. And this being one of the thin ones, because it's where I've got it doubled, it works so much better for my hair. I just don't have much hair. When I pull it into a ponytail, it's very long, but there's like 6 of them up there. This is from Bluebell Silk, and it says reduces hair breakage and looks stylish too. There's only one. I had that doubled on my hand. Next out, and where the weight of this box was, we have a Bioderma full size 16.7 fluid ounces purifying cleansing micellar solution for combination oily skin. So this is nicely sealed at the top. I'm not going to open it. You guys know I don't have combination oily. I have dry. I have dry in the summer and I have dry in the winter. But look at that, and I absolutely have people in my life that will probably love this. So I will pass this along. I would put it in a giveaway, but good heavens, she heavy. Remembering. Okay, next out we have a Tropez Self Tan Purity. It is 14 ml, 0.47 ounces, and that is what it looks like. On the paperwork we have, it just says Purity Face Mist protects and boosts luminosity. Yeah, I haven't worked up the nerve to do this yet, especially on my face, natural glowing skin. I do keep thinking that I'll try it like on my neck and chest area, because even as white as my face is, this is even lighter. I'm just pale. I'm a pale girl. Next out, we have a Mercy Handy Hand Cream in Namaste. That is what that looks like. We have had this brand. I got a natural deodorant in this brand that I love. This is 1 fluid ounce. It smells so good. It does the job. I like it a lot. Unfortunately for it, I didn't give it a fair shake, because in one of my boxes, oh, I should have come prepared to tell all the information. Let me see. I'm using a charcoal natural deodorant that I got in one of our boxes and have already ordered a backup. I love it. I will put the information on that below if you have any interest. It is by far, I'm very sensitive. It's not broken me out at all. When I used other natural deodorants on days where I knew I was going to be under a lot of stress or get really hot, I would use my Secret. I use this, I use on the constant now. I never use any of the regular deodorants anymore. Oh, that smells so good. Very floral. Did I say? Oh, Namaste. Namaste must mean lavender. I know it doesn't mean lavender. It just says fragrance, so. But it smells very floral to me. I do like the way it made the back of my hands feel though, and I can never have too much hand cream. The paperwork just says leave skin feeling supple and hydrated, and my hand does feel very nice. It smells even better. Next out, we have a By Terry. That's a nice brand. Brightening CC Cream, glowing base. So I guess you would use this under your foundation. I will look that up and let you know here where you're supposed to use it. Since it's a base, we'll see if my pale skin can wear it. Oh, not so sure about this. That is what it looks like. Spread out under my foundation. Believe it or not, I could make that work. Let's put it all over my hand. Yeah, it blends out really nicely. It does have a little color. I would argue if you were slightly darker than me, you could almost use this on those no makeup days. Because see, even on me, you can tell a little bit of the difference. This is darker than this. But even on me, It's not too dark. It doesn't have much smell at all. That hand cream is what's coming through. This is 7 mLs, 0.23 fluid ounces of the Bioderma Brightening CC cream. Next out, we have the Sola Notes Eau de Parfum Roll-On in Yuzu. Yuzu. And that is what that looks like. And it says made in France. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Citrusy and bright. I like that a lot. What does the paperwork say? Sola Notes Eau de Parfum Roll-On Yuzu Citrus Customizable Base Fragrance. So I just did Judith Lieber. I just did a box that had Judith Lieber in it, and it was 3 cents. And they said you could make your own. There was a base and a middle, and this must be the same theory. That smells, I would wear this alone. It's just very citrusy and nice. And as a base, under something that was a little, I always throw out patchouli, but under something that was a little warmer, this would be lovely. Next out, we have Raincry Shine Collection, Illuminating Shine for all hair types, pH balanced, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, and cruelty-free. I think this is going to be foil packets in here. And I got Polishing Wash and Radiance Rinse, and that is what they look like. So they're big. I mean, that's my hand. They are big packets. And it says the Polishing Wash is an illuminating shampoo with shine-enhancing sea kelp, activated charcoal, and hibiscus. And the Radiance Rinse is a high-gloss conditioner with fortifying keratin amino acids, lavender extract, and cherry vinegar. Yeah, that all sounds very interesting. I will be trying that. I do love to try new hair things. Those are the 4 choices that they have on the back. CBD Repair Collection, Shine Collection, which is what this is, Volume Collection, and Smooth Collection. Next out, we have Babor, and I haven't had these ampules, but I did get some other ampules that I have not tried yet, and I keep meaning to try. These are firming though, and firming is probably what I need. When we open up the box, oh, they're not really purple. It doesn't matter, but that is what the inside looks like. So we have 7 ampules, and you just shake it, pop it open, and then she's putting it all over her face and down to her décolletage. Those are the pictures they show you of how to do it. And it says it's an active concentrate for declining skin firmness. Declining skin firmness and facial contours. Valuable organic silica and extracts of yellow horned poppy help to improve the appearance and firmness and elasticity on the skin's surface. Unless I have an unknown yellow horned poppy allergy, which is not out of the realm of possibility, I can use this. So I'm going to try these first because they are firming and I have that declining firmness. Next out of the box, we have a Dr. Brand Microdermabrasion Age Defying Exfoliator. I will not open this so that I can pass it along because A, I have one open, and B, it's a little rough for my super duper sensitive skin, but people love this. Can't get enough of it. Love it. It has, I think, and I'll be letting you know here, like a $64 value. So there's a lot of value in this. It polishes the skin to reveal a smoother complexion, in case you couldn't decode exfoliator. But people love the Dr. Brand. And last but not least, and I did not keep a big dollar item for the end. It was sitting on top, drawing me in. It is Sally Hansen. It is the Cuticle Rehab Oil Balm. So it's like, you know how we use all of the oils you guys know? I've admitted several times to my cuticle oil obsession. I'm going to go ahead and get into this. And despite my cuticle oil obsession, I don't think I've ever had a balm one. And that is what it looks like when you get it out of there. You see how big the top of that is? That is so cool looking. It's made in Canada. A multi-purpose solid oil and a convenient balm. Provides instant relief for rough, dry cuticles on the go. So you could have this in your purse, and if you were flying, it wouldn't be a problem. Because you know the flying dry cuticle emergency that you could have. Our formula infused with aloe, safflower oil, and vitamin E oil instantly helps protect cuticles from cracking and feels deeply moisturizing and fast absorbing. Well, let's see if that's true. So when you take it off, it looks like you're going to forget and use it as a lip balm. So if you have kids, you might want to put this where they can't reach it. Wow, that's convenient. And it's not over oiled. You don't have, I don't know about you guys. And I use cuticle oil on the regular because I'm rough on my hands. But yeah, that was nice. Oil dripping down my hands. I wish I could have shown you guys befores and afters, but that instantly made such a difference in my cuticles, just like putting on oil would. love it. I knew that I would. That's why, although it was a low dollar item, it's probably one of my favorites. And just for the record, it says there should be a Sally Hansen Miracle Gel It Takes Two Sugar Fix nail polish in here. It's the nail polish, and I think the other end might be the top coat. I don't have that product. I'm not going to call because they have sent this to me. Sure, if it was just a regular subscription, they would happily send me that out. That was a good box. $225 in value. It's an $80 box, but if you use my code below, Kathrin22 with the link, it will be, what I say, $62.40 because it's 22% off. This is all the products we got. We got the Tropez Purity Face Mist, the Babor 3D Firming Ampules, the Nail Rehab Oil Balm, the Bioderma, the Solenotes, Mercy Handy Hand Cream, Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, which if you like that product, I'm pretty sure covers the cost of your box. The By Terry Brightening CC Cream, the Silk Hair Pull Up, and the Raincry Shine Polishing Wash and Radiance Rinse. That is a lot of stuff. Let me know below what you guys think. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. I hope you're having a great holiday season, guys.